Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Orange, green, blue, yellow, red,
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A. Say with me. A. A for apple. B. Say with me. B. B for ball. C. Say with me. C. C for cat. D. Say with me. D. D for dog. E. Say with me. E. E for elephant. F. Say with me. F. F for fish. G. Say with me. G. G for grape. H. Say with me. H. H for horse.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
I. Say with me. I. I for ice cream. J. Say with me. J. J for jug. K. Say with me. K. K for kite.
Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D,
L.
H, I,
Say with me.
L, M, N, O, P,
L.
Q, R, S, T,
L for
W,
lion.
Y, and Z.
M.
Now I know my
Say with me.
next time, won't you
M.
with me?
M for monkey. N. Say with me. N. N for nest. O. Say with me. O. O for octopus.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
P.
R, S, T,
Say with me.
W, X,
P.
Y, and Z.
P for
Now I know
panda.
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Q.
A, B, C, D,
Say with me.
G, H,
Q.
I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Q for
Q, R, S, T,
queen.
W, X, Y, and Z.
R.
Now I know my ABCs.
Say with me.
Next time, won't you sing
R.
with me?
R for rabbit. S. Say with me. S. S for sheep.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
T.
T, U, V,
Say with me.
W, X,
T.
and Z. Now I know
T for
my ABCs.
tiger.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
U.
A, B, C, D,
Say with me. U.
K, L, M, N, O, P,
U for
Q, R, S,
umbrella.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
V.
Next time, won't you sing?
Say with me. V. V for van. W. Say with me. W. W for whale. X. Say with me. X. X for X-ray.
C, D, E,
Y.
H, I, J, K,
Say with me.
Q, R, S,
Y.
T, U, V, W,
Y for
Y, and Z.
yacht.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Z.
C, D, E, F, G,
Say with me.
J, K, L, M,
Z.
Q, R, S,
Z for
W,
zebra.
Y, and Z.
Subscribe for more videos.